Hello everyone, today I, Anthony, will show the process of producing high-end tire production. So let's take a look together.
2025. The future of grip is built here. Zero human hands, only precision. Zero human hands, only precision.
Printed carbon belts. Cold plasma bonding. Stronger, lighter, silent.
3D printed carbon belts. Cold plasma bonding. Stronger, lighter, silent.
"90-second cure. Live X-ray approval. Zero defects shipped.
90-second cure. Live X-ray approval. Zero defects shipped.
90-second cure. Live X-ray approval. Zero defects shipped.
.25 tires. Built by machines. Trusted by physics.